Ate Love. Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. 18 years. Nasusuko ako. Happy birthday, Ate Love. Sana matupad mo ang pangarap mo at makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral. Gusto mo ito?
Patingin na regalo
Ito na
niya.
lang.
Patingin na regalo mo.
Oh,
Wow. Oh, ano sasabi mo, Ate Love?
thank you.
Thank you. Ate Love,
Ate Love, thank you.
happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate Love.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate Love. Happy birthday.
Sana,
Sana may pera na.
sana, mawala na.
Ng pera.
Mawala na yung
No.
bye.
Juice.
Sana mawala na yung
Ng pulis.
pilitin mo, sana mawala na yung virus. Pupunta kami dyan.
Pupunta kami yan. Wala na virus.
I love you.
I love you.
I miss you.
I miss you.
Happy
Mwah.
birthday.
Happy birthday.
Mwah.
Mwah.
Oh, play kiss. Sana all
Sana all may jowa.
may pera.
May pera.
Bye, Ate Love.
Ate Love.
Pakita ka, Ate Love. Ang ganda mo, oh. Pakita mo yung regalo ka, Ate Love. Wow! Wala na. Baliktad tayo.
Baliktad pa.
Happiest 18th birthday, Ate Love! Welcome to the real world of being a true lady. And I just want to say na follow all the stars around you. But of course, you have to chase the brightest one. And good luck to your new path of life as being a lady. And soar high. You can make it. Sabi nga ni Sari Sakloy, this is for now my gift. Sana hey!
Happy birthday, Ate Love! Ang wish ko sa'yo is sana magkaroon ka lagi ng good health. Tapos, more books to read. Saka sana mapurso mo yung course na gusto mo sa college. Si Tita Rowie naman, syempre, kung ititreat mo, remember, ang paborito ko ay spaghetti with anemic sauce. Ha 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 ha. Happy birthday! God bless!
Happy birthday to you.
Tingin dito.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ate Love!
Happy birthday, Ate Love.
More birthdays to come and be good girl. Yun, be Christ-like. Happy birthday ulit!
Happy birthday!
Hi, this is Ninang Tere from London. I hope you know me or you remember me. I was a bit shocked that we had the same birthday, and I didn't know that actually. But anyway, I think your birthday is more special than mine today, and because you're 18, and I'd like to greet you, love, a very, very, very happy birthday. And I'm not gonna make it very long. I'm trying to make it short and sweet. I wish that all your heart's wishes will come true. And I heard from your mom that you're very sensible, responsible, and I think this is true. I've heard you're intelligent. So good luck. All the best to whatever you want to do in your life. Enjoy the adulthood. Take it easy. Do not rush. Do not be spontaneous, but instead think harder. Stay responsible and hopefully stop.
Cut! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Para sa itong libro na to.
Itong gift ko sa'yo. Salamat sa pagiging madalahanin, pagmamahal mo sa amin, at alam mo na, lagi kang concern sa amin, lalo na kay lola mo. Salamat sa pagiging malambing. Ikaw ang love namin. Kahit malaki ka na, kahit ilaga ka na, kahit tumanda ka pa, ikaw talaga ang love namin. Baby ka namin habang buhay. Iwasan yung pagiging masungit, pagiging moody. Pero, ayun, basta sweet lang. Sana ma-achieve mo lahat ng gusto mong ma-achieve sa buhay. Sipag ka naman mag-aral eh. I love you. Happy birthday. Lavia, happy birthday. 18 ka na, kaya iwasan ang pagiging masungit. Panatilihan ang pagiging masipag sa pag-aaral. Naalala ko paano baby ka, nung alaga pa kita, nung alam mo na, saka nung alam mo na. Hindi pwede sabihin. Magagalit ka sigurado. Itong book na to, para sa'yo, regalo ko sa'yo. Kasi diba, itong request mo sa amin, book. Hindi kasi namin kaya yung blue bills na hinihingi mo eh. Happy birthday ulit. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you very much. Mama, chup chup.
Hello! Para sa paborito kong pamangkin na nagmana sa akin ng kagandahan. Di ba? Ganda. Happy 18th birthday sa iyo, my love. Hello, baby love. Happy birthday. Miss na miss ka na ng tita. Tandaan mo yan. Mahal na mahal kita. I love you so much, baby love ko. Mag-aaral palagi ng mabuti ha. Huwag masyadong matigas ang ulo. Alagaan lagi ang sarili. Happy birthday. I miss you so much. I love you.
Today is your day. Happy 18th birthday, Ate Love.
Happy birthday, I love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ate Love! Happy 18th birthday! Sana matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo. Tsaka sana maging mabait ka. Tsaka wag daw masungit. Ano pa, Doy? Ano pa sasabihin natin, Doy? Sana maabot mo yung mga pangarap mo. Yun lang.
Yan lang.
Happy 18th birthday!
Birthday.
Okay. Bye-bye. Ingat
Bye-bye.
lagi.
Bye-bye. Ingat lagi. Happy birthday, Ate Love. Say, Ate Love.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate Love. Say mo, happy birthday. Bilis. Happy birthday, Ate Love. Happy birthday, Ate Love. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate Love. Kiss. Kiss, Ate Love. Bye-bye na, bye-bye. Blow candle. Bye-bye, Ate Love. Bye-bye. Happy birthday. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Love. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate Love. Happy birthday, Ate Love.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Hello, love. Dalaga ka na.
Love, 생일 축하합니다.
Ayan sila kuya. O, may mga alaga. Happy birthday! Nakiki-happy birthday din. Sayang, ECQ pa, love. Sana party-party.
Sagot ko sana isang banana cue.
Ingat, love. Dalaga ka na.
Ingat, palagi.
Love you. Love you. Kuya, oh.
Umpisa na naman sa tatay. Oh, yan na. Video na. Ano sabihin mo?
Happy birthday nga.
Tatay. Tagal-tagal magkapogi, wala naman pala sasabihin.
Meron ko kasi
Video.
na nagpasensya ka na sa pa namin. Gift namin sa'yo. Happy birthday.
Asan yung gift? Di ba pinapakita?
Ito.
Favorite niya yan, mga libro.
Dalawa yung pan.
Yung Amerikano kasi, hindi pa nakuha. Happy birthday, love.
Sana yung
Wala, umiyak na si nanay mo. Love, yun. Umiyak na si nanay.
tingnan si lola mo.
Kunwari mo, tawa iyak na. Ano na sabi mo, Nay?
Happy birthday, love.
Naiyak ka ba sa binayaran mo sa libro?
Pagka ako naiyak din eh.
Oh, bye na.
Yung bulaklakan niya.
Mamaya pa.